Welcome back to ZOS Introduction. This is the sixth video in the series. The objective of this video is for you to have a better understanding of TSO, time sharing option. TSO is the original text-based interactive application on the IBM mainframe. TSO is a part of the base operating system. TSO is a command line interface. An analogy would be the DOS command prompt on a Windows workstation with a limited set of commands. TSO does not have full screen support. As a result, the TSO environment is rarely used for interactive work. However, TSO services are used to provide full screen support for TSO-based applications discussed in the next video topic. TSO is more commonly used as a background task to process commands and scripts. The 3270 screen in the chart is a systems programmer customized screen that is presented to a TN3270 emulator as a result of a successful connection to ZOS. The screen instructs the reader to either enter logon or TSO. In the chart, TSO is entered. Entering TSO results in a text message to enter a user ID. The TSOE logon panel requires a password to proceed. Once a valid password is entered, then the TSO logon process begins. It is rare the TSO ready prompt is returned following successful TSO logon. It is common for the systems programmer to customize the logon procedure to place the user in a full screen application. It is possible to terminate the full screen application. Then the TSO ready prompt appears. In fact, this is a normal procedure for terminating the TSO session gracefully. The chart shows a TSO ready prompt. A TSO time command is entered and the output of the time command is returned, followed by the ready prompt. A second TSO command, help, was entered. Help was requested for edit. TSO edit is analogous to the DOS editor. It is a line editor as opposed to a significantly more useful full screen editor. If you are familiar with Linux, it is similar to ed command or the sed command. Another interesting behavior of TSO session is the appearance of 3 asterisks. The 3 asterisks is the result of TSO estimating a full screen, and TSO pauses for you to read the output, and when you want to proceed to the next screen, enter will proceed to the next screen. TSO is used in very innovative ways by highly experienced system programmers. TSO is significantly more function-rich than this brief video overview. In the ZOS Internet Manuals site is the TSO bookshelf. The chart shows the ZOS TSOE bookshelf listing the TSO professional manuals. The chart is a continuation of the TSO bookshelf. One of the manuals is the ZOS TSOE primer. If you are new to ZOS and TSO, this would be the best manual to start your learning journey. The chart is another continuation of the ZOS TSOE bookshelf. As you observed, TSO has several professional manuals to advance your TSO knowledge and skill level. In summary, TSO is a base component of ZOS. TSO is primarily used to provide system services to host full-screen applications. A TN3270 emulator is capable of initiating and facilitating an interactive TSO session. Thank you for your time.